Would you like to gain more confidence in your trading abilities? Would you like a plan or a strategy in place in order to trade more comfortably? Welcome to another Trade Babe video. Today we'll be discussing 3 different types of traders. We'll be discussing the benefits and the drawbacks. Now listen carefully while I go over them in detail. So even if you're a beginner or a more seasoned trader, the 3 types of trading styles we'll be going over next should help you determine what type of trader you are, or maybe the type of trader you should be. Now let's discuss the first type of trader most people will know, which is the day trader. As discussed in my previous video, day trading requires a lot of time. Most traders will spend most of their days reading chart patterns, studying news, looking for breakout trends. Most successful traders have spent hundreds of hours and even years learning how to day trade. Some traders may become successful, but many will fail because they will quit too soon because they won't get the results as quickly as they were hoping for. Day trading takes patience and the skill of learning how to deal with the emotions of day trading. Day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to take it seriously in order to be successful at trading. Day trading allows you to make the most money over the short term because you're essentially buying and selling stock the same day. But if you don't have a plan in place, your biggest wins could also become your biggest losses. Always have a trade plan in place in order to avoid the fear and greed to creep in. You don't want it to wash away all your profits. Day trading is the most commonly known way to trade stocks. Now the second one I'll be discussing next talks about how you can hold on to a stock for longer if you don't have the time to day trade. Now the second type of trading style is swing trading, which is one of my favorites. Swing trading is essentially buying your stocks and owning them for potentially weeks to months. Now that allows you to follow the trend for longer in order to cash in more profits. The reason why swing trading is one of my favorites is because it's a slower way of trading. You're able to catch the trend for longer. You're playing smarter, not harder, and you're also not tied up as much in the emotions of day trading. Now, swing trading should also be considered with a trade plan in place before you start buying your stocks. So if you're doing technical analysis, you should be allowing for a longer time frame for this instance. But this strategy should allow for you to be able to play the entire price movement for however many days, weeks, or months the trend may be continuing for. Swing trading would be more ideal for part-time traders. The third trading style would be the buy and hold approach. This would be more of a long-term strategy, maybe for a retirement account or someone that does not have the time every day to look at their stocks. You could invest all at once, or you could do it gradually on a maybe weekly, monthly basis. Now, since this is a longer term strategy, most people would use this strategy for maybe where they would hold their stocks for years or even decades. So this would be a less risky strategy because it's a longer term plan. So there you go, friends. Now that you've heard the 3 different trading styles, I'm hoping that will give you more clarity to determine what type of trader you really are. I would love to hear your feedback. Leave me a note in the comments below. I would love to hear what type of trading style you are or may become.